What if I told you there's a powerful antioxidant that can supercharge your energy, boost brain function, and even protect your heart? It's called pyrroloquinoline quinone, or PQQ, and it's been making waves in the world of health and longevity. But what exactly is PQQ? How does it work? And is it the secret to better mitochondrial health and anti aging? Stick around, because today I'll break down everything you need to know. PQQ is a powerful redox cofactor, a compound that helps reduce oxidative stress in the body. It's naturally found in foods like green tea, fermented soy, papaya, and kiwi. But what makes PQQ special is its unique ability to support mitochondrial function, the energy powerhouses of your cells. Healthy mitochondria are essential for longevity, energy, and overall wellness. And this is where PQQ shines. So, what are the science backed benefits of PQQ? Let's go through the big ones. It boosts mitochondrial health. Mitochondria produce ATP, which fuels your body's energy needs. PQQ has been shown to stimulate mitochondrial biogenesis, meaning it helps create new mitochondria, leading to more energy and reduced fatigue. It supports brain function and memory. Studies suggest PQQ improves cognitive function by protecting brain cells from oxidative damage and even stimulating nerve growth factor, or NGF, which is essential for neuroplasticity and memory retention. This makes it promising for aging brains and neurodegenerative conditions. It enhances heart health. PQQ may reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in blood vessels, leading to better circulation and lower cardiovascular risk. Some studies even show it helps reduce LDL cholesterol levels. It may improve sleep quality. A surprising benefit of PQQ is its potential role in improving sleep quality. Research indicates that it may reduce stress hormones like cortisol, helping people fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. It supports immune function. By fighting oxidative stress, PQQ can help strengthen your immune system, making your body more resilient to infections and chronic inflammation. As promising as PQQ sounds, it's not without potential side effects. Here's what you should know before adding it to your routine. It may cause gastrointestinal discomfort in some people, like nausea and bloating. It can also cause insomnia in sensitive individuals, especially at high doses. And it may cause mild headaches. PQQ may also interact with certain medications, but it is generally safe in doses up to 20 milligrams per day. Always start low and monitor how your body reacts. If you experience jitters or trouble sleeping, consider taking it earlier in the day. You may benefit from PQQ if you struggle with low energy or chronic fatigue, want to enhance brain function and memory, are interested in longevity and mitochondrial support, or have cardiovascular concerns and want extra protection. But you should avoid or contact a doctor if you are pregnant or breastfeeding due to lack of research, have severe sleep disorders because it may cause mild overstimulation, or are on blood thinners or certain medications that PQQ may interact with. As always, be sure to talk to your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially if you're on medication or have underlying health issues. So, is PQQ the ultimate energy and longevity booster? The research looks promising, and for many people, it can be a game changer for brain health, energy levels, and overall vitality. But remember, no supplement is a magic pill. Healthy eating, exercise, and good sleep are just as important. Have you tried PQQ, or are you thinking about adding it to your supplement stack? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss my latest health tips. Until next time, my name is Pharmacist Michael. Be happy and be healthy.